How to get an Amazon affiliate link on a specific product. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. It is very, very simple. So first, you will need to actually be an Amazon associate in order to do so. So just, if you didn't already sign up there to be an affiliate for Amazon, pretty much is very simple. Just go to Amazon Associates and create your account, and there fill up your information, and we are pretty much set. So once you actually do that, you simply just want to head on over to Amazon.com. So once you're on Amazon.com, you want to ensure that you're logged in with the same account that you have with Amazon Associates. And now the next step would be simply just find the product that you want to get the link for. So once you open up the product page of the product that you want the link for, you're just going to find here on the top, you should be able to find site Stripe, and you should be able to find some information about this product here. For example, the category of it and also the commission rate that you would be getting. And here, most importantly, on the right side, it says get link. So you simply just click on that, and you're just going to copy this link here. And this is pretty much your affiliate link to this specific product. So you simply just want to copy it and promote it however you wish. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.